Hello, lovely people. I am so happy welcoming you back to my channel. Here is Rhema Healthy Way, your home of healthy recipes. It's always an exciting moment to meet with you guys. So, guys, if you are a returning subscriber, may God richly bless you for always coming to visit this channel. May God richly bless you. From my heart, I really appreciate you guys. So if you are also visiting for the first time, oh, may God richly bless you for coming. Don't forget to turn the red subscription into gray and also to click on that notification bell over there. Thank you so much for coming. Leave a comment for me. I want to know you were here. Also, today I am making a very simple recipe. As I said, when I brought my pumpkin bread, I promise I'm going to bring a recipe for the pumpkin puree. And here is it. Get your pumpkin ready. Break them into two or cut them into two sizes. And then you bring all the seeds out before you get them ready for the oven. So let's get it done. And then okay, guys, so at this point, pumpkin is baked, and this took about 1 hour to be ready. So as we all can see, it's baked and it's looking so nice, and I can't wait to use this for my pumpkin bread and my pancakes. So know that you can use this for your pancakes, for your cakes, for your brownies, for your cookies, for your muffins, and many more. So if you're wondering what you can use this for, or if you know this already, then there are lots that you are going to do with pumpkin puree. So at this point, you would make sure that there is no seed left in it. If there is, then you have to bring all these things out. Okay, because sometimes, yeah, you can take everything out, but after baking, you realize that there are 1 or 2 particles in them that you need to bring out. So guys, at this point, I am going to bring all the food out, excluding the skin. Then I'll get them ready for my blender, and then my pumpkin puree is ready. Okay, that is all. So you see how simple this is. So as I usually do, I would like you to know the benefits that you gain from eating pumpkin puree. To begin with, I want you to know that this is very, very nutritious, and it has a lot of minerals and vitamins that you don't want to lose in this season. So this is the pumpkin season, and as we all know, they use it for Thanksgiving and other things, but like Halloween, it's the fruits we are talking about. Fruit or vegetable, that's what we are talking about. That's the most important thing. So that's not the issue. It's about what you gain from eating it. That's what we are facing over here. So I want you to know that pumpkins are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. Okay, it is super healthy that you would want to take advantage of it during this season. Okay, it also has low calorie content, which helps which makes this a weight loss friendly. So if you want to lose weight, take advantage of this season. Okay. And also it's very nutritious and has antioxidants, which helps us to boost the immune system and also helps us to avoid certain diseases, and helps our eyesight, and also helps us to get a clearer skin, and it also helps to promote our heart health because of the potassium present in pumpkin. And it's very, very easy to add to your diet in both sweet or it's easy to add to your diet. But the most important thing, I want you to know that it is full of vitamin A due to the rich content of beta carotene that we gain from eating pumpkin. And if you are someone who has vitamin A deficiency, I recommend this for you. I recommend pumpkin for you. You can cook it, you can use it in your bacon, however way that you get pumpkin into you. You can use it for your soups, amongst others. And you know, vitamin A helps us to boost our immunity, thereby it helps the our immune system to function properly as it's supposed to be. All right, so guys, if someone may be asking who is not supposed to eat pumpkin or something like this, pumpkin is healthy, and then it's much healthier than other junk foods and all that. And I recommend. So it may only have effect on people who are taking certain kinds of medication, okay, but apart from that, it's okay. It has a very there are certain medication that can counter react with this. And someone may ask, why is food healthy food also? There are people on medications that don't need to. So that's why I usually say that if you want to take something, you just have to ask your doctor if you are on a particular medication that you don't want to put yourself, or you don't want your body to be feeling, you know, anyhow that you don't want to feel. So don't forget, this is very good for your skin health. We all want our skin to glow, isn't it? So you look out for this, and then you know, don't forget, it has vitamin C and it also has fiber, okay? And this is also very important. It's good for our heart, as I said, very, very good. And it also helps us to normalize the cholesterol level. So if you know anyone with that kind of situation, you recommend, if that person is not on any hard medication, you know, so then that is okay. You can go ahead and then enjoy your pumpkin in peace. All right, so it's always becomes very important that we learn from whichever food that we are eating. It doesn't mean it's healthy, so it's healthy means healthy. No, if it's healthy, we can say everything is healthy, but then who is supposed to eat it and who is not supposed to eat it. Whether you are on a certain drug or something like this, you just need to ask your doctor, or you read more for yourself. It's not everything that we wait for people to read for us or people to teach us. People will teach us at the end of the day. We keep learning, but then at a point in time, you also have to read for ourselves what we get or what we eat into our bodies and what it does to the body. All right, guys, so at this point, our pumpkin puree is ready, and I want to say a very big thank you for visiting this channel. So my new viewers, if you have already not if you've not subscribed already, I will encourage you to smash that subscribe button, okay? I really appreciate you for coming. Leave the comments for me over there in the comment section. Every information on this is going to be left in the description box. So thank you for coming. Till I come your way again next time, here is Rhema Healthy Way, and stay safe. It's bye bye, guys.